everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is LiSin. If you're new here, we're a US Army family currently stationed in Japan. About a year ago, I posted our house tour. At that time, it was still empty with all the furniture from the government, and you can watch it here. The past year, we have slowly updated the house to make this home more homey and fit our needs. In this video, I'm going to show you all the details of our house and also share our go-to furniture store slash home store around Camp Zama. Let's get started! Alright, we're starting from the front. Over the year, we collected and bought a lot of gardening supplies. We love how much plants we have at our house. So cute. The summer in Japan is crazy hot. We have to water our plants frequently so they don't die on us. The lawn is like taken care of by ourselves. So if you see the corner houses, they might have bigger lawn that you have to take care of. We're the middle house, so we have less stuff that we have to do. You see that part? That part is ours. During the summertime though, the grass grows so crazy fast. I think every 2 weeks is the max that you have to do it. If you wait longer than 2 weeks, your house is like jungle. There are kids on base that they offer their service. It's about $20 to $40, depends on the size. We try to do it ourselves so we can save the money. But when we get too busy, we hire kids to come in. So our door, we have 2 doors, screen door, and this metal door. We have a baby, so we have baby gate. We got this umbrella organizer here because it rains so much during the summertime. This is perfect, like perfect fit in this little crack. And this little curtain thingy is from Daiso. Super nice and just so beautiful. The embroidery flower. First thing come in, you have this coat or shoes rack area. And we just bought a little shoe rack so we can keep our shoes organized. And up there we put our shopping bags and hang our coats that we actually don't need right now. When you walk in, you have go upstairs, and then this is the hallway. I'll come later. Let's go into this door, lead to the first room. Originally, they put our dining set in the back room, but we thought for our need, this fit better. We have our dining table here. These sets are from Nitori. It's a Japanese IKEA. I will talk about more detail and where it is later, but we love it so much and I think it's super great quality. Honestly, I think it's a little better than IKEA. We got some hanging plant on this ugly thingy. These are from our friends, super grateful because they were PCSing out, so we received their plants. Our vacuum here. And we got this dresser from a lady for free. And we just put our keys, our sunscreen and stuff right here. We put our piano right under the window. I just think this corner is like so beautiful because I have plants and everything, which is like a little sunroom kind of vibe. I love it so much. More storage down here. And we have laundry machine and dryer here. And above there's some storage that you can use. Then we have our kitchen here. The kitchen here is American kitchen. By that I mean there is a dishwasher. There is an American size stove that you can actually cook a chicken in. The microwave is from our friend. It's a Japanese microwave. Personally, I think the Japanese microwave work better because it's small, and we had a US size microwave and just took too much space. I feel like not worth it. And all the cabinet here are for our storage. You can tell this is not original. Well, the house is pretty plain. We wanted to add some color and make it fun. So we bought like wallpaper sticker thingy. Like, look, you can tell it's like plasticky. So it looks like a real tile. We bought it from Shein, add some pop to the house, and we love it since this is the pantry area. It's not that big, but for us, it's enough. And we have a fridge right here and American style kitchen. It's not real fire, which is fine, I guess. And we have an oven that's pretty big. If you keep walking from the kitchen, you will lead to this big open area. We kind of make it into 2 rooms. One is like her playpen area and one is our living room area. So originally, the housing put this place as the dining area. We wanted to have more room for our kid to play around, run around, so we just make this a play area. A little corner with more plants and our Wi-Fi, mostly because of Wi-Fi. That's why we put it here. The playpen. We got the playpen from Amazon, Japan Amazon. It was pretty good and we love it. More toys over here. Kind of use this couch set to divide the room. So once you enter here, you are in a cozy living room. We're super blessed. The couch set is from a friend for free. TV is from a PCS family that sold us for like $50. TV stand is supposed to be a coffee table, but we just flipped it by painted a different color, use it as a TV stand. Bookshelf is from IKEA. We have picture wall here that's starting to build. Hopefully will be more later. Make this house a little more personal and homey. All right, even though it's super hot outside, I'm going to show you the backyard. It's not very big, but I think it's enough. Come on. In the backyard, we have a little balcony. We just store our stuff that we have to organize later, and then some trees. We have strawberry and veggies that's dying. This is the pepper plant that's actually thriving really well. And snake plants that we need to give people. We bought this bike, but it's been so hot riding outside, so it's been sitting here. In the back, you have a little storage area too. And now we just store our camping gear and outdoor stuff and some baby stuff here. We have these wall too, we have to take care of this. And then half of that part. Share places, we're just like kind of divided into different parts that everyone kind of take care of it. Some family, they have dogs, so they will put on fence even further out for their doggy to walk around. Right, so there's a door by the living room that lead to that hallway that I said I will come back. So it's like a little circle. The lighting is not the best, but I'll try. Underneath the stairs, there is another storage. Now it's full. We have some baby supplies, cat supplies, drinks, luggages, all kind of stuff that we would use, but not too often here. This is the bathroom in the first floor. Really simple, a sink, a bathroom. Yeah, and the storage up there. And our cat's bathroom is here too. Hello, baby girl. She's been following me. She might want to have make a scene, huh? All right, we're back to the door, and now let's go upstairs. Okay, when you come upstairs, our apartment is a 3-bedroom setup. The first bedroom, we turn into my office. So I actually is a photographer around Camp Zama. So I do have a lot of props that I have to store. If you're in Japan, I'm your girl, okay? We bought some storage unit in here that I need to work on more. But for now, this worked really well for office. The desk is from IKEA, chairs from IKEA, free from the curbside, free from the curbside. Just so many things on the curbside that you can grab, guys. Playpen from a lady that's PCSing, but now our baby is outgrown, so now it's just like so many things I have to organize. The room next to it basically have the same setup. And this room is our baby's room, crib, changing table, and a rocking chair. Crib is from IKEA, changing table from IKEA, rocking chair from a lady that's PCSing out, so we got it pretty cheap. Got some stickers on Shein also, make this room a little, cuter and not too overwhelmed. And same, you can have storage in here, and this is our baby's storage. There are 2 bathrooms on the second floor. This is the bathroom, the only bathroom that has bathtub. So this bathroom is mainly for our baby and for the guests. And over here, you have a bigger storage as well. But now we just put blanket and mattresses, baby clothes that she will eventually wear right here. And then this is our master bedroom. Our bedroom have a bathroom with shower, a simple shower and a toilet. And last video I showed this, but if you're first time watching this, you can pull this up. It's super cool. I don't know if it's old Japanese or just here. Master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet. This is mainly for me. And there's another closet for, well, now it's more for my husband, but whatever you guys want. Maybe your husband will have more stuff to put, you know. Our bed is from the States that was shipped. And the nightstand though is still from the government loaner furniture. Carpet is from our friend that pissed us out. I think the room with carpet just make it so magical and so nice. The dresser is, we're lucky again. Dresser is from a family that moved here, but then turned out their home could not fit anymore. So we got this for free. All right, that's our house. After a year we lived in here. So far, I think everything is great. Honestly, nothing to complain. We love this home and it's perfect size for us. 2 adults and 1 baby. Not too big to feel overwhelmed to clean, and not too small. We still feel like we have enough space to do our stuff. Tell me if you have any question about this house. What do you like? What do you not like? Comment down below, let me know. I'm very excited to see what you think. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned I will share some home store and furniture store around Camp Zama that you can go get furniture if you need it. It's actually not really limited to just Camp Zama, but the whole Japan. So there is 2 stores that we go for bigger furniture. So first one is called Nitori. Nitori is pretty common in Japan. It's like a IKEA, but Japanese version. The style is pretty simple, minimalist. Usually the sides are smaller, not as big, because Japanese home are usually small compared to American home. Actually, I found it pretty useful because the house is not big. So if you want to fit in American's furniture, it's kind of hard and make your living space a little limited. I will list some location around Camp Zama that you can go look at. And the second place we like to go is IKEA. IKEA is about 1 hour away in Yokohama. Well, IKEA is the same everywhere. We don't mind IKEA, so we like it. If you like gardening or outdoor shades or tools, that kind of stuff, there are 2 stores around Camp Zama that you can go to. The first one is our favorite. It's called Cainz, C-A-I-N-Z. I'll put the logo here. They sell basically everything. They have cleaning supplies. They have all the tools, nails, and gardening stuff and plants and seeds, anything that you can think of around the house that you can get there. They even have some basic storage unit or furnitures that you can buy from there. They don't really have like this kind of furniture, but if you find like shelves and I don't know, bathroom basket and stuff, they do have those. And the second store is called Super Viva Home. I think that store is a little bit cheaper, or cheaper look, I would say. It's the same thing. They sell mostly everything that you can think of for gardening, for home repair, flip, that kind of thing. There is another one that we recently discovered. It's right maybe 5 minutes drive from the housing area, super close, called D2. The look of the store is a lot more sketchier in a sense. It's like cheaper, look cheap. If you want to find something with a bargain price, maybe that's a good place to go. Overall, I think living in Japan on Camp Zama is pretty convenient. If you're like adventurous people and don't mind exploring new things, go out the gate, honestly. There's so many stuff that you can find that's like, oh boy, oh my. It's been very, very fun for us to explore around our options. I hope this video is helpful. I know it's scary sometimes when you move to a new place and don't speak the language, don't want to change, you know, but you're here in Japan, and Japan is a great, cool country that you should step out the house and explore. Anyway, I don't know why I go there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.